大家好，我係 NDHOTAPN 梁耀龍。今日我會同大家講 ACLR procedure，內容有 anatomy、positioning and nursing care、surgical procedure。Anatomy ACL 係一束賓道嚟嘅，佢個 origin 就喺 lateral 個 femoral condyle 嗰度，咁就 insert 去嗰個 anterior 嗰個 tibia 嗰度。呢個就係 major structure of the knee 啦。你哋可以睇到個 ACL 點解要做 surgery 啊？restore 個 knee stability 同埋減低佢個機會去 OA。Positioning and nursing care， 我哋預備 ACL 嗰陣時咧，就要預備兩塊大豬油膏，兩個 lateral support， 一塊大嘅 metal body roll 攞嚟撐喺佢隻腳，仲有個 mail tray table， 主要攞嚟鉗住嗰啲線，防止佢 exercise 嗰陣時拉扯嗰啲布而做到 contamination。呢個就係個 clinical pathway 啦。我哋跟住呢個 clinical pathway 嚟 provide nursing care 就一定冇錯㗎啦。首先我哋要做佢個 pre-op 嘅 medication 啦，provide 個 psychological support 啦，最緊要係 prophylactic antibiotic， 減少佢哋個 SSI 嘅機會。active warming positioning， 做好我哋嘅 aseptic technique。tourniquet care， 夠120分鐘就要通知 surgeon。最後做完呢個手術之後，就做個 limb 嘅 circulation 喺個 recovery 嗰度。Japping， 首先我哋用 U-Jab 包咗佢隻腳先，跟住再穿 extremity， 用 Optic 嚟包住佢隻腳，就駁咗 diaphragm 同 sucker 先，攞佢個 graft， 跟住做晒呢啲嘢之後，先慢慢駁頸。第一個步驟係我哋要攞 graft 先嘅，最常見攞嘅 graft 有 hamstring graft， 裏邊有 gracilis 同 cementandinous 嘅 graft 啦。如果佢需要做 revision 嗰陣時咧，就要攞定個 small saw 嚟攞佢個 patella bone tendon bone graft 啦。咁攞 graft 嗰陣時咧，我哋就需要呢啲儀器，有 long accent、mixer、supercut、variable 同埋 tendon stripper。咁普通嘅 surgeon 就會用 speed trap， 而 Dr. Charles Lee 就會用 Hi-Fi loop suture 嚟織個 graft 嘅。攞完個 graft 之後咧，就要攞 ultra braided 嘅 suture， 即係我哋成日講嘅 fiber wire 2嚟織個 graft 啦。咁攞完個 graft 之後咧，我哋就要預備張台俾佢去織 graft。咁裏邊有 graft sizer 啦、PE 啦、arthroscopic grasper 嘅，而嗰啲 consumable 有 ultra braided suture、endo button， 通常就俾20佢。如果 combat 嗰個 endo button 咧，就得一款 size， 唔使揀嘅。仲有 marking pen 啦，而有 Vico 俾佢帶線啦。如果佢織完個 graft 接完3摺都好幼，譬如話去到幼過7.5啊，幼過8咧，就有機會加減要用 BioBrace 啦。呢幅圖就係顯示佢要織 graft 所需要嘅嘢啦。 喺積緊 graft 嘅同時，另外一個 surgeon 就會做 knee arthroscopy。我哋要準備尖刀、直 artery 同埋30度鏡。另外就有個 poke 攞嚟 assess 佢嗰啲 tendon 同埋 meniscus stay 唔 stable 啦。咁搞掂晒呢啲嘢之後呢，我哋就要預備一個2.4嘅 passing pin 攞嚟招個 femur 去到個 lateral cortex 嗰度。咁就要預備7mm offset guide、4.5mm endopattern drill， 跟住就預備佢嗰條 femoral tunnel drill 啦，通常都係8mm 左右嘅。咁搞掂完個 femur 之後呢，我哋就要預備 tibia。tibia 我哋就要準備個 ACL guide，通常就 set 到去55度。
攞翻之前嗰個2.4guide pin同埋 femoral tunnel drill。
搞掂晒之後呢，我哋就會 pass 條 graft 過去。通常呢，就最少要做 exercise 10個 cycle， 跟住我哋就要準備 sucker variable 嚟擺佢粒 interference screw。咁呢條片大家可以睇。
The Infinity Knee System is a modular platform for ACL reconstruction that supports a variety of surgical approaches, reaming, and fixation preferences. To begin, debride the unwanted remnant ACL tissue and mark the center of the desired ACL tunnel position. Then, take the Infinity anteromedial guide and front-load the Infinity 3.5mm spade tip guide pin. Insert through the anteromedial portal while the knee is hyperflexed to allow appropriate access to the ACL's femoral footprint. The anteromedial guide provides a 2mm offset from the back wall, while the footprint feature provides visualization of the tunnel's edges. With the guide still in place, use the Hall Microfree mini driver to advance the guide pin through the far femoral cortex. The spade-tip guide pin creates a channel for the Infinity femoral adjustable loop button to pass, eliminating the additional step of reaming a button channel. Next, remove the guide from the joint and pull the guide pin back against the femoral cortex. The spade-tip guide pin's gradient pattern helps quickly identify femoral aperture to cortex length. Then, advance the guide pin through the skin laterally and introduce the sentinel reamer over the pin, keeping the cutting flute away from the medial condyle. Ream the femoral socket to the desired length and remove the reamer from the joint. Pull the guide pin out to advance the femoral passing loop into the joint. Next, assemble the Infinity Modular Guide System, which features a quick connect mechanism on the guide body and ratcheting edge on the guide sleeve. Place the tip guide's point at the center of the ACL footprint and advance the guide sleeve firmly against the tibia. Then, advance a 2.4mm tibial guide pin until it meets the tip of the guide arm. Remove the guide from the joint. Then, use a constant diameter reamer to ream the tibial tunnel and prepare for graft passing. Place the graft through the graft loop of the Infinity femoral adjustable loop button. Pull only on the single white tensioning suture with the blue suture tag to reduce the graft loop. Note that a reversible button feature can be used to reposition the graft within the femoral and tibial tunnels by pulling back on the blue reversible button tab and then pulling back on the graft construct. To begin graft fixation, load the tensioning and lead sutures of the button on the passing suture loop and advance until all 4 suture strands are outside of the lateral femoral cortex. To advance the button, pull the blue and white striped lead sutures while taking up the slack of the white tensioning sutures. Once the button is seated on the femoral cortex, drop the lead sutures and hold only the tensioning suture with the blue suture tag. To advance the graft, apply firm tension on the graft limbs while simultaneously pulling the tensioning suture with the blue suture tag. If graft repositioning is required, pull the blue reversible button tab to lengthen part of the graft loop. Then apply firm tension to the graft to reverse the graft back down the tunnel. Once the graft is positioned, remove the blue and white striped suture, cut the white tensioning sutures, and cut the blue reversible button tab suture. Finally, place the leg in extension and insert a Genesis matrix interference screw to complete fixation. The remaining suture is cut.
多謝大家。